YouTube family, what going on with y'all today, man? Hey, hopefully everybody having a good day out there. This is just a sporadic video, man. It ain't nothing too much going on, nothing too crazy, man. Your boy got a package and I got a box that is already open, man. I just want to, you know what I'm saying, have a quick in-comment discussion with y'all. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on these pickups. And yeah, man, we about to go from there, man. Make sure that y'all hit that like button. Starting off the vid, man, you know, hey, different scenery, different vibe, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about it. But I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna just switch it up every so often. I might be outside. I don't want to get too repetitive with this stuff, so we gonna switch it up every so often. But hey, thank y'all as always for pulling up, man, and rocking out with your boy, man. Truly appreciate it as always. But yes, man, other than that, man, let's jump right into it. Your boy picked up a pair of shoes, right? And this pair of shoes that I have, like, I ain't gonna hold you, like, I seen it quite a few times, but I was like, trash. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna hold you. I kind of probably still feel the same way about it, but on feet, I feel like it might change my mind. And then on top of that, I think it's a very good collector shoe, man. So, I mean, some of y'all already know what it is. You know, some of y'all might not. Y'all might be like, damn, that's a dope box. What is that? But take a look at the box. You got like designs on it. You got Familia written on one side. What does it say on this side? Siempre something. It must be in like Spanish, maybe. Siempre or something, you know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to all my Hispanics out there. If y'all know what that reads, man, hey, y'all break it down for me. Let me know what that says. But you do got Nike inside that, like, you know what I'm saying, different drawing of different things. But it does say Nike, and you do got a swoosh there. These right here are the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Black Chili Red Cell, man. So these are mids, bro. These are mids, and I ain't gonna hold you, man. Your boy said he was done with the mids for a little while, which I was, but I got a problem, man. I got a problem. But let me go ahead and not stall it, man. Opening it up, okay. Take this right here. Bam. Okay, we got these Air Jordan 1 mids right here. I forgot the exact name of them, but it's a Jordan 1 mid that, to me, it gives off, like, no disrespect, because it might mean something totally different. I'm just saying the vibes that it gives off is Black History Month, like with the colors and stuff on it. You know, it just gives off Black History Month vibes. Yellow laces, green laces, red laces, all over suede upper, you know what I'm saying? With hits of, I guess, nubuck or something on. Is that nubuck? Yeah, it might be like a form of nubuck on the toe box, but it does have like some sharp teeth or something, some sort of teeth, but crazy. It's a whole lot going on. I just, like I said, I seen these, and I actually could have had these like a month ago, like, but I just was like, you know, I'm good on them. But upon seeing them again and having a conversation with somebody, I was like, let me go ahead and grab them, set them to the side, you know, because who knows, man? I'm telling you, the mids is gonna be doing something here in the near future. So don't sleep on the mids. But it's really for collector's purposes. Will I throw it on feet? I might. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Do y'all want me to throw them on feet? You know, throwing a little fit with them. Y'all just let me know. Based on y'all feedback, you know what I'm saying, I'll throw these on feet. But y'all let me know. And don't dislike the video just because y'all dislike the shoe. I mean, dislike the video for, I don't even care at this point. Dislike it if you want to. But anyways, man, that is it, man, for that shoe. So y'all let me know, like I said, if y'all want to see the review of that one, man. The Siempre, I believe, Air Jordan 1 mids, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. But other than that, your boy did get a pickup, man. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, you know what I'm saying? She said, hey, you know, she don't want to get in trouble with a job and nothing, so we're going to keep it confidential. But, hey, she be plugging your boy in and throwing your boy these oops, these retail oops, man. So, in this box right here, man, I don't even have a box cutter, man. Do I? I don't even have a box cutter, so we probably going to have to open it with my hands if I can. But, yeah, we just going to get crazy with it. But, yeah, man, this shoe right here is not in adult sizes. It's only in, like, GS sizes. But I'm curious to see what this shoe look like in hand, man, because I actually thought it was a dope, like, creative shoe, but I don't see myself wearing this shoe because it's not for me, you know what I'm saying? It does have like a childish look to it, but it still is dope nonetheless, man. So checking out the box, man. Does have that regular Air Jordan 1 box. It looks like a GS or a Jordan 1 low box. So you got that. Taking a look at the size tag, it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro GS, man. They retail for $150 and I didn't pay $1 over that, man. So shout out to you. You know who you are, but that is the size tag without the glare. If y'all can see that, the size tag right there, man. So let me go ahead and pop it open and show y'all. What was that? The receipt, man. I'm telling you, receipts are good, man. Receipts are good. So got the receipt inside there. Retail, everything retail. But taking a look at the shoe, man, your boy got bang, the Air Jordan 4 Wild Things. Man, okay, let me take a look at them. Give y'all my honest opinion on it real quick, man. So it's looking real furry, man. It's looking real furry from what I can see so far, but let me get them both out real quick. Coming with an extra set of laces, I see. Okay. All right, set that there real quick. All right, so Wild Thing, man. Wild Thing 4s, man. What is my thoughts on these? Hold on. Wild Thing 4s, okay. I love it. I love the smell of new shoes, bro. Ain't nothing like the smell of new shoes, but bang, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 Wild Things GS exclusive shoe. And I still can stand on saying that I personally wouldn't rock them, you know what I'm saying, myself. But it is a dope shoe, bro. It is dope. It is dope, man. I'm digging this. This is a clean pair of Air Jordan 4, man. Especially, like, I can see, like, ladies wearing this shoe. Like, of course, kids. But I think this would be a good shoe for, like, women. You know what I'm saying? Like, they style these up, winter shoe, because it does have that, like, thick fur around the ankle collar. Keep your ankle kind of warm. But, definitely not bad, man. Definitely not a bad shoe at all, bro. So, your boy does have them right here, man. This is a 7Y. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. They might be for sale on JTSG Closet. Follow me on Instagram at JTSG Closet if you possibly might want these. I don't know yet if I'm gonna sell them yet or if I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. So they clean though. They clean. They not bad. Like I said, man, I could definitely see the women and children rocking these. But for me personally, no sir. It's just it's a kitty looking shoe for a man to rock, in my opinion. But I mean, that's no disrespect to you. If you a man and you feel like you can rock them, do what you do, bro. But yeah, man, that's just my thoughts on them. But those are the two shoes that I just wanted to show you. Like I said, man, it was just a spontaneous, just at the moment video, you know, nothing too crazy. But I got a movie, bro. I got a movie coming up for y'all tomorrow, man. So everybody is royal. Hey, who picking up them royalties, man? Y'all let me know down below in the comments. But other than that, man, y'all stay blessed. I am gone with them two shoes. I'm not gonna pull back out those mids because y'all probably don't want to see them. But if y'all do, let me know down below in the comment section and I will get to it. Probably do a swap short or something like that. But other than that, man, I'm gone, man. Wild Thing 4s. Checking out, man. Peace.